Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Gradient Academy. Myself Sachin Yadav, and today we will discuss physics section of IIT-JEE 2023 mains exam. So the problem is name the logic gate equivalent to diagram attached. So we have to find out the diagram is equivalent to which type of gate. So first what we will do, it will make a table x, y, and then output. So if we assume x and y, if both open means 0 0, then 5-volt current passes through lamp and that it will glow. So if lamp is glowing, that means output is 1. If we close x1, this one, and open y, in that case the current flows through this path, because current always flow through path which having less resistance. This path having higher resistance due to this bulb, so current passes through this path and the bulb which LED will not glow. In that case 0. Similarly, if we close the y path, then current will pass through this section and this bulb will not glow. Again 0. And if we close both these, then definitely current will not flow through these two, not flow through this section, so bulb will not glow. So 1 1 0. So bulb will glow only in one condition. Now we have to find out which logic gate is equivalent to this configuration. So this is similar, this is just opposite to OR gate. In OR gate the combination is 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 and 1. If we apply a NOT gate, that will reverse this output, that 1 0 0 0. So now the logic output of this NOR gate is equivalent to our existing solution. So the correct answer for this is NOR gate. Thank you very much.